Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to process a journal entry using SQL accounting software. A journal entry is used to record adjustments, corrections, accruals, depreciation, or year-end entries, ensuring accurate and compliant financial records. Here is a scenario. Your company owns several assets that depreciate over time, including furniture valued at 15,000 ringgit, motor vehicles at 10,000 ringgit, and office equipment at 5,000 ringgit. You are tasked with recording these depreciation values in a journal entry. Let's begin. Starting from the header field, key in the description. We are going to key in fixed asset accumulated depreciation as an example. Next, change the date if necessary. That's all for the header field. Moving on to the detail grid, click on this plus button to insert a record. Select depreciation of fixed assets as the account and enter the debit amount for the total depreciation expense. Next, add the accumulated depreciation for each asset, along with their corresponding credit values. The system will verify if the debit and credit amounts are balanced. If they are, the journal entry will be saved successfully. After you've done inputting the data, click Save. And that's it. We've successfully processed the journal entry. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.